7 Best Benefits of Seaweed Diet, a Natural Approach to Obesity. Want to lose a few pounds naturally? Here's what you need. In this video, I'll discuss 7 best benefits of seaweed diets that are both delicious and effective for losing weight. Boost your nutrition and lose weight with natural seaweed foods. We're saying goodbye to crash diets and hello to healthy living. Enjoy tasty, nutritious seaweed dishes that will leave you feeling satisfied and motivated to lose weight. Get your dream body with this natural solution. Seaweeds, which are marine plants and algae, have gained attention for their potential role in supporting weight management and preventing obesity. While more research is needed to fully understand their effects, certain properties of seaweeds make them interesting candidates in this context. One, low-calorie content. Seaweeds are generally low in calories and can be consumed as part of a meal to provide bulk without adding significant calories. This can help create a feeling of fullness without contributing to excess calorie intake, which is important for weight management. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. 2. Dietary fiber. Many seaweeds are rich in dietary fiber, including soluble and insoluble fibers. Fiber can slow down digestion, promote a feeling of fullness, and help regulate blood sugar levels. By doing so, it can contribute to controlling appetite and reducing overeating. 3. Alginate content. Alginate is a type of soluble fiber found in brown seaweeds like kelp and bladderwrack. It has the property of forming a gel-like substance when it comes into contact with water. This gel can slow down the digestion and absorption of nutrients, potentially leading to reduced calorie intake and better blood sugar control. For iodine content, some seaweeds are good sources of iodine, an essential mineral that supports thyroid function. The thyroid plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism. Proper thyroid function is important for maintaining a healthy weight and preventing obesity. However, excessive iodine intake from seaweeds can lead to thyroid-related issues, so moderation is key. 5. Bioactive compounds. Seaweeds contain various bioactive compounds, such as polyphenol and phlorotannins, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds might influence metabolic processes and contribute to weight management. 6. Umami flavor. Seaweed has a unique umami flavor, which is often described as savory and satisfying. Adding seaweed to dishes can enhance the overall taste and potentially lead to reduced cravings for less healthy, calorie-dense foods. 7. Thermogenic effects. Some research suggests that certain compounds found in seaweeds may have thermogenic effects, meaning they could increase the body's energy expenditure and promote fat oxidation. However, the extent of these effects and their impact on weight loss require further investigation. It's important to note that while seaweeds offer several potential benefits for weight management, seaweed offers several weight management benefits. 1. Satiety boost. With low calories and high fiber, seaweed fosters fullness. People consuming seaweed salads felt less hungry than those having traditional salads. 2. Diabetes risk reduction. Seaweed's fucoxanthin enhances insulin sensitivity, lowering diabetes risk in obesity. 3. Gut health improvement. Seaweed's fiber supports a healthy gut, critical for weight loss and well-being. Notable aspects of seaweed's contribution to weight management. 4. Nutrient-rich, abundant in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, seaweed aids metabolism and thyroid function. 5. Low calorie and fat. Seaweed's minimal calories and fat make it a beneficial weight management addition. 6. Fat absorption reduction. Alginate fiber forms a gel in the stomach, inhibiting fat absorption, leading to potential weight loss. 7. Fiber content. Seaweed's fiber promotes fullness, digestion, and balanced blood sugar levels, curbing overeating. 9. Metabolism boost. Seaweed compounds, including fucoxanthin, elevate calorie burning rates, aiding weight maintenance. 10. Thyroid support. Iodine in seaweed supports thyroid function, influencing metabolism and weight management. 11. Anti-inflammatory. Seaweed's anti-inflammatory properties indirectly support weight control by reducing inflammation. Pretty Health Food Channel's opinion, seaweed's nutrient-rich, low-calorie, and weight management properties make it an ideal dietary addition. Integrating seaweed into meals supports weight loss, overall health, and taste experiences. However, consulting a doctor before introducing seaweed is advised.